Welcome to a tutorial on using Faculty Success Workflow. The first thing you'll need to look for is an invitation to complete a submission in your NMSU email. You'll see Watermark Faculty Success inviting you to complete your portfolio submission, and you'll click on the invitation for that in your email. You'll then be directed to the NMSU login for Watermark Faculty Success. You'll click into the website and you will be directed to sign in with your NMSU faculty credentials. I am already signed in to this, so I will not show you that sign in step. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen. You will need to enter your name. You'll enter your banner ID, the division for which you're submitting your portfolio, your department, your current rank, not the one you're applying for, whether or not you're applying for tenure, so it can be yes or no, whether or not you're applying for promotion, the number of years you've been at your current rank, the number of years you've served at NMSU or Doñana Community College in a full-time tenure track position. So do not include your part-time years there, if you had those. The number of years you've served in tenure track service, so it should likely be the same number of years. And the years of prior service you negotiated in your contract when you were hired. So if you didn't have those, you just enter 0 in that area. At this point, you're ready to start uploading the required documentation to the workflow system. If you don't have time to keep going, you can actually go up to the actions and you can save to draft if you'd like to do so. This allows you to save and work on it later if you'd like to. You can then open up your draft anytime you'd like to and continue working. So you can continue to save anytime you'd like. Just make sure when you do that you don't submit for review or withdraw from the process. So here we're going to start by uploading annual performance evaluations since our last promotion or in the tenure process, which would be all of the years since hire. So here you click on drop files here or click to upload. So I'm going to click to upload. I'm going to go to the file where I would keep my promotion and tenure files. I have a little training folder that I'm keeping here, and this is annual evaluations, so I just have a sample file for evaluations. I'm going to click open and it drops right into here. So that's one file. I can choose to upload multiple files to the same area if I would like to. So what you'll see in workflow is that you can upload as many files as you need to upload. Here is annual performance evaluations from the division dean, and I will need to upload all of those since my last promotion or all of my evaluations since hire if I'm applying for tenure. Same thing will go with my division P&T committee evaluations. So if I have had an evaluation from the division promotion and tenure committee in the period under review, I'll upload that here. If I have had a review from the college promotion and tenure committee, I will upload that file. And then we have here documentation concerning prior credit, extensions, or reductions of the tenure clock. If this was negotiated when you were hired, you will upload documentation to show that here. If you are submitting a mid-probationary review, you will submit that documentation in this box. If those don't apply to you, you can skip those boxes and keep going. Here is where you will upload your executive summary. So again, I'm going to go to my files. We're going to assume that I have written my executive summary. And here is my sample executive summary, and I'm going to put it right there. And here I would have my sample curriculum vitae and I am going to upload that in this portion right here. Then we come to the initial allocations of effort, where it's going to say that I've got to upload all of my allocations of effort since my last promotion. Sorry, didn't mean to open that. Or all of my allocations of effort for tenure since my date of hire. So we're going to go to my sample allocation of effort. I clicked in there that I was applying for promotion, so I'll say that I'm going to upload 3 years worth of allocations of effort into here, and I'll have them there. So those are my initials, so I will probably also have 3 final allocations of effort that I need to upload that go along with those initials. I'm uploading those, and there they are. Then we come to another required portion, which is the principal unit's mission statement. And so this is where you'll type in your unit, department, or division mission statement. And then we come to letters of support. So you are asked in this process to gather letters of support for your promotion or tenure. And so depending on the number that you have, you will upload to this area any letters of support that you have. I'm putting in, well, I put 3 earlier, so I'll just go ahead and put 4 in here as an example to show you that there's any number of combination of files that you can upload into here. And you can see that all of these are uploaded into this process. I have everything filed in here. But maybe I'm not quite sure yet. I'm going to go ahead and save this as a draft because I want to make sure that when I come back in, I want to check it again. So I'm going to go ahead and log back in just to show you that when you log back in, you could check out your information. So I'm going to go into the workflow, into the tools. I'm going into the tasks. Sorry about that. I'm going back into my demo here, and you can see all of my information. So I've looked at it, I've decided it's correct. So with my actions, I'm going to submit for review. It will ask me, am I sure that I want to submit it? And I will say yes. So it is now telling me, you can see it's moved now to the next step. It is submitted to the department chair or program director. I am the subject of this review, and I am ready for the next step in the process, which is for my department chair or program director to review my submission. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, please let myself or Dean Butler know, and we'll try to be as helpful as we can.